Today I'm going to take you along as I make this coming week pop. What does that mean? It means progress over perfection. What am I going to do today to set up my week for success, or at least a step ahead of itself? So today is Sunday. I like to plan on the weekends. Am I filming this week? What day am I going to get that in? I find out when I'm filming, what I'm researching, what I'm doing for you guys, what I need to film, B-roll, if I'm working with a sponsor or brand, how am I doing all this and working it in my schedule. We are in my laundry room. Calendar needs to get switched out. So these are sticky notes, like Post-its that I leave ideas for vlogs, videos that I'm doing for you guys, and I stick them on the days that I want to post them. The beginning of the week, I'm always looking ahead of what I need to film. I try to get a week ahead, but sometimes that doesn't always happen. So I got this calendar. I'll put my Post-its on here, and this has been the best system for me, keeping me organized and focused for She's in Her Apron and get things moving for the week. And we're also going to pick up this desk for the week. This isn't bad, actually. I just put some jeans here. So these I need to return this week. So what we're gonna do is get them in a bag and get them in the back of my car. So I need to make a shopping list for this week. I noticed I was out of a few other things. Well, at least put the top one on. That will work for right now. I'll fix it later. We'll get more command strips. I have a list of what I want to do for the month, each month of what I want to film. What I'm just gonna do to remind myself, so I'm not like doing back-to-back content, I'm just gonna put on this Post-it, clean with me, and then I can move it when I do another clean with me. I love this system because I can change things up and move ideas and posting dates and things around. And it's not scribbled out or anything. It's just like, love it. Trying to be more structured, not bad. It didn't take long. I have this fun notebook that says start today. I already looked at the family calendar. I already know what's going on this week. The only appointment that I have this week is for Sweet Paige. She is getting groomed. I'm gonna make that my errand day, because I could go and run all the errands and be done when they text me and say, your Sweet Paige is ready for pickup. So think of your schedule. What can you do if you can't follow the Fly Lady system that way? We have tutors here and here. Boom, boom, I know what's going on. Derek and I leave this weekend. Bailey does have a field trip this morning, because we're not leaving till the evening. I'm gonna make a list for Wednesday. I like having this in my purse. Wednesday, I'm thinking of the route. I am routing this in my mind as I'm doing this. Where's my furthest destination that I have to go for my errands, and then I'm gonna go there and then work my way up doing those other errands. I would like to go grocery shopping as well. Command strips, and I said printer paper and printer ink. I am going to put my to-dos here. I'm gonna write it on this sheet of paper, put a clip, and for my to-dos for the week. I'm gonna write, instead of to-dos, because that just sounds so tedious, I'm gonna put pop it. Yeah, let's pop it right there. So what am I doing this week? What is on the agenda for cleaning, menu planning, things like that. So let's get it down. To menu plan tomorrow. And with that comes cleaning out the refrigerators. They need a good wipe down from the holidays. We'll make a grocery list. I always do my morning routine, night routine slacks, but people help, we get it done. And I need to do my zone cleaning. All right, what is in for my zone cleaning? I take the Fly Lady system and then I adapt it to how I want to do it. I do my weekly home blessing. That's not a big deal. That's like routine with me for Monday, so I know that's gonna get done. If you want to see a video on what that is, I'll have it down for you down below. Okay, so we're in zone 2. So zone 2 is the kitchen, which is perfect because if I'm gonna really scrub my fridge for, you know, from the holidays, I really want to scrub it. They give you a list of things that you could do in your zone cleaning. And if I don't get to all this, it's okay. I made progress for the week. I am gonna be menu planning from my pantry and food room. That's what I usually do. And then I look at the ads, see where the deals are, and add them to my list. It's 3 o'clock and I'm gonna get the clam chowder going for dinner. Okay, as I was cooking the chowder, which it's just thickening in that pot right there, I created a menu in my mind. I was thinking about all the things we had without even going through the fridges. So here is what we have on the menu for this week. Could totally change, but there is something on the menu. Okay, Sunday, that was today, we had chicken fajitas for lunch and clam chowder for dinner. Clam chowder leftovers will be lunch for tomorrow. Monday night, we are actually making a turkey. We thought it out all night. It's a small little turkey that Callie got from her work. She gave it to us. We have no room in our freezer for it anymore because our pig is coming soon. So we gotta make room for the pig in the freezer. So we're having turkey tomorrow. So we're gonna do turkey, mashed potatoes, and all the veggies that we have going on in the fridge. Okay, so Tuesday for lunch, we'll have turkey leftovers. And then Wednesday, or I can make turkey orzo soup. We'll see how that goes. Tuesday, we'll have the leftovers, and then dinner, it could be the soup. We also have steaks we could pull out and have steak. I have sweet potatoes, but there might be leftover potatoes and we could have those. If not, I can make a shepherd's pie with the leftover potatoes from tomorrow. Wednesday for lunch, I was thinking of doing the tater tot casserole for the kids, and that can end up being their lunch for Thursday as well. And then I have cod in the freezer I need to use up, some yummy cod fillets. We'll get those going in the oven. And then Friday, nothing, because Dad and I are gone and the kids will be with grandparents. I do have stuff. I don't even have to like open anything. I knew what I had and bam, I have a menu really quick. All right, let's peek at the chowder and see how it looks. It is starting to thicken. And then once it does, we are ready to eat. Yummy, yummy clam chowder. Two youngest are helping me unload the dishwasher. One's got the top, one's got the bottom. I feel prepared, I feel ready to go. I got my plan, I know what's happening. But if anything pops in there, I'll be able to handle it. We'll be able to work it out. Let me know what you do down below. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.